city streets, we began to feel.
December 30, 2014 nang ikasal si Marian Rivera at Dingdong Dantes at pagkalipas nga ng 10 years ay mayroon na silang dalawang anak. Kaya naman isang renewal of vows ang kanilang ginawa kasama ang kanilang dalawang anak. Narito ang naging mensahe ni Dingdong Dantes. It has been a meaningful 10-year journey for us. Today we honor those who have stood by us, prayed for us, and guided us to where we are now. As we step into the next chapters, we carry with us a stronger spirit with His blessings forever at the center of it all. Makikita naman na tila umiiyak si Marian at talaga namang very emotional sa nasabing event. Ang kanyang mensahe, walking down the aisle with our kids today, celebrating 10 years together, love God and family forever, #Dongyan Infinity. Maraming mga fans ni Marian Rivera ang natuwa dahil ang witness sa kanilang pag-iisang dibdib muli ay ang kanilang mga anak na sina Zia at Sixto. Ayon sa mga fans, napakagandang tingnan ng family ni Marian na talaga namang hindi na-expect na pagdating sa showbiz na tila magulo nga when it comes to relationship, pero nanatiling maayos at kahit naman in public ang kanilang pagsasama, napapanatili ang kanilang relasyon na maayos at sila pa rin ang mga top-rated artist. Hindi lamang sa social media, pati na rin sa Philippine showbiz. Bumuhos naman ang congratulatory messages mula sa kanilang mga kaibigang artista.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.